Hello everyone. Today I'm going to start very important question of quantitative aptitude topic allegation and mixture. Let us see this question. This question is what? That is a vessel is filled with liquid and three parts of which are water and five parts of syrup. How much of the mixture must be drawn out and replaced with water so that the mixture may be half water and half syrup? So half water and half. So we are solving this question by the two method, first basic method and then logically and tricky method. So what is the basic method here? So first you see how much here syrup and how much water after replacing, after drawn out. So first we are taking that is what water is three parts. So water will be what? Three upon three part and five part, that is three ratio five. So 3/8 is what water. Now, how much of mixture? Suppose you are making X mixture. X part of mixture we are replacing. So if we are replacing X mixture, then in X mixture what? Water and syrup both are taken, right? So 3/8 suppose minus. So 3/8 minus, now we are checking, so this is the water. So how much water, X quantity or X mixture we have taken, the how much water we have taken. So water will be what? That is 3x/8. You have taken the 3x/8 water. And again, in the place of that taken X quantity, we are adding pure water. So pure water is what? That is X added. This is the quantity of total water. Now similarly, we are equal because half water, half syrup. Now what is the syrup? Syrup is what? 5 parts. So this is what? 5/8, right? Now from this, how much we have taken? Total X mixture taken. So X mixture taken, X mixture, how much syrup? X mixture, how much syrup? That is 5x/8. So this should be equal. Now we can solve this in a proper way. So what we are getting? 3/8 and minus 3x/8 plus x is what? 8x minus 3x, you will get 5x. So this is 5x/8. And here what we are getting? We are already 5/8 and minus 5x/8. So now we will solve this number. This 5x/8 come this side, so become plus. So 5x plus 5x is what? 10x. So we get 10x/8. And this side what? 5/8 and minus 3/. So what we are getting? That is 2/8. So this 8 and this 8 we can cancel. This cancel. 10, 2 5s are 10. So what we get? 5x equal to what? So x equal to what? 1/5. That means 1/5 part of the total. 1/5 part of the total we have taken drawn off. So our right answer is what? 1/5. This is the basic concept, right? Now we can solve this question by other method also. Other method is what? First you feeling that here ratio is given 3 water and 5 parts of syrup. So ratio is what? 3 and 5. And total sum is what? 8. Now he telling so that mixture may be half water and half syrup. So half of is what? Ratio is given 1 and 1. So 1 and 1 is what? 2. So if you want to balance this equation, you need to multiply this number by 4. So what we will get in the place of this number, what we get? That is 4 ratio 4 equal to 8. Now you see this we need what? That is syrup. Because my question is how much of the mixture must be drawn out and replaced with water so that mixture may be half water and half syrup. So here difference is what? Here 5 and here 4. Here 3 and here 4. The difference is what? 1. So our direct answer is what? 1/5. So we can write only 4 and 5 difference 1. So our right answer is what? 1/5. In this way, we can get our answer also very quickly. And this is the basic method. You know, basic method is always, that is the evergreen method. Any type of question we can solve by the help of this concept. Thank you. Let us see this question. The question is what? The ratio of the expenditure and saving is 3:2. if the income increased by 15% and the saving increased by 6%, then by how much percent should his expenditure increase? For this type of question, again, we have a lot of method, but explaining this question in a very simple and easiest way. What is the easiest way? See, here given expenditure and here given saving, right? So suppose expenditure is what? That is 3:2. So take for easy, suppose expenditure is what? 300. And your saving is what? 200. So expenditure 300 and saving 200, then income will be what? Income will be 300 plus 200, that is what? 5. Okay. Now my question, if the income increased by 15%, so this income increased 15%, so you know in percentage technique is what? If 500 increase 15%, that means 115 by. So this cancel out and we are getting 5 5s are 25, 5 1 are 5 2 7 and 5. This is 575 is what? Income, new income. Now question and saving increased by 6%. This is the saving. Saving increased by 6% means what? This is 200 and saving increased by 2%, right? Saving is increased by 6%. So 6% increase means what? 106 by 100. So what is answer? This cancel out and we will get 2 6 are 12, carry 1 and 2. 212 rupees. Okay. Now my question, then by how much percent should the expenditure increase? So how much percent should here expenditure? So here income is already new and there expenditure saving is new saving. So income minus saving is what? Expenditure. So income 575 and their saving is what? 212. So when you subtract, you will get what? Expenditure. So 5 minus 2, 3, 7 minus 1, 6, and 5 minus 2, 3. 363 what? That is the expenditure. So previously, old expenditure was 300. Now new expenditure is 363. So how much expenditure increase? 63. So we need to find percentage increase in expenditure. So percentage increase in expenditure you are finding. So 63 increase, so increase in 200 and divided by total. That means comparing with. So what is the technique for percentage? Percentage is what number we are finding percentage in 200 divided by comparing number. Here we are finding our expenditure, how much percent increase. Previously 300 and now 363. So how much increase? 63. So we are comparing with original. So 63 into 300 upon divided by original 3. So this cancel out and you got what? 21. So our correct answer is what? 21% is our right answer. So with the help of this simple concept, you can solve any question of this type where simple percentage given ratio. Go for this type of way, you will get very easily and you can solve your question. See this important question. So what is this question? Question is a mixture of 150 liters of wine and water contains 20% water. How much more water should be added so that water becomes 25% of the new mixture? So there are so many methods for solving this question, but it's important and very simple method for solving this question is what? Here given what? 20% of water given. So we can find water very easily. Water is what? 150 into 20% of water. That will 20 by 100. So what we got? That is 30. So 30 liter is what? Water. So 30 liter is water. Then what is the remaining? Remaining is what? That is wine. So remaining is wine. That is 150 minus 30. So what we are getting? 120. Right? Now question is how much more water should be added so that water becomes 25%. So telling that how much more water should be added. So suppose X liter water added, then mixture will be what? Mixture already 150 liter given. If X liter water added, then total number of liter of mixture will be 150 plus X. And then if we find total mixture 25%, then it will be what? That is water only, right? So water is how much? 30 liter water already in the mixture, and then we have added what? That is X liter. What we have added? More water added X liter. So 30 liter and plus X liter, this is the water. Now we can solve this question. 25 for the 100. So what we got? 150 plus X equal to 30 into 4, 120 plus 4X. So when we solve this number X and here 4X, so difference is what? 3X. Here 150, 120, so difference is what? 30. So this cancel out and you will get what? X equal to 10 liter, right answer. So this is the basic rule for solving the question, any question of this type, we can solve by this basic method. Here, what given? Water given what? 20%. So 20% on 150, everyone knows 30 liter. Now 30 liters water, the remaining is 1. So 120 liters is 1. Now my question is what? How much more water should be added so that water become 25% of the new mixture? So new mixture will be what? If we add X liter of water, new mixture will be 150 plus X. 25% of the new mixture should be only water. So only water is what? 30 liter water, and we have already added some water X liter. So total water 30 plus L. 30 liter water plus L. So from this equation, we can get what the value we have added, that is X is what? 10 liter. And we can solve this question by the option method also very easily. So correct answer is what? 10 liter, correct answer.